I finally caved and upgraded to Suno AI Pro. Not because I ran out of credits, and not just for early access to the latest models, though yes, I'm about to let you hear exactly what I got using both version 4 and version 4.5. But the real reason? I need commercial licensing for my songs. I'm working on a new project, and I found another AI tool that lets me turn those songs into full music videos in practically one click. What used to take me hours, or even days, now takes minutes. It's insane. Yes, the results you're seeing came from that tool, and yes, I'll reveal it at the end. But first, you need music, right? If you're still using the free version of Suno and want a crash course on making your first song, check out this video up here. For the rest of you, let's dive into the real question. Is Suno 4.5 actually better than 4? The truth is, I hadn't used V4 either before I upgraded, so the first thing I did was remaster all of my favorite songs from V3.5 to V4 and to 4.5, so I could hear all three versions side by side. Here, take a listen to these remastered songs first, before we move on to how these models sound with a fresh track.
Echoes of tomorrow from what I feel today. Make it count, all of it, all I feel, think, and say. Time's a flowing river, the currents here and now. Emotions are the ripples, expanding out somehow.
So that was V3.5. Let's have a listen to version 4.
Echoes of tomorrow from what I feel today. Make it count, all of it, all I feel, think, and say. Time's a flowing river, the currents here and now. Emotions are the ripples, expanding out somehow.
And now for V4.5.
Echoes of tomorrow from what I feel today. Make it count, all of it, all I feel, think, and say. Time's a flowing river, the currents here and now. Emotions are the ripples, expanding out somehow. At the edge of possibility.
I can definitely hear the difference between 3.5 and 4.5. In most cases, the vocals just sound so much more real.
At the edge of possibility, where dreams begin to bloom. Where dreams begin to bloom. Embracing inner wisdom, dispelling clouds of gloom.
As the models improve, the tinniness definitely fades away, and these voices are clear and rich. Take another listen.
Embracing inner wisdom, dispelling clouds of gloom. Dispelling clouds of gloom.
I think the difference is a bit more subtle when we go between 4.0 to 4.5, though.
Thoughts become my compass. Thoughts become my compass.
And actually, I think in this example, version 4 sounds better to me.
Feelings light the way. Feelings light the way.
Either way, though, both of these sound human AF, in my humble opinion.
Shaping my reality with every word I say. Shaping my reality with every word I say.
I'm a narrator, so I tune right into her voice. But is the quality improved for the music too? I can't really tell. What do you think? So, here's a little bonus for you. Because yes, I'm nerding out over music models, and I thought you'd want to join me in the fun, but there's another reason I'm remastering all my music. Only songs created while you're a paid subscriber can be used commercially, so I kind of have to remaster these if I want to cover my butt when it comes to licensing. So yeah, keep that in mind if you're planning to use your tracks for making money. Now, this was the only way I could think of to really show you a fair comparison, but I'm gonna be honest. I think 4.5 sounds even better when you create a new song. Before I did that, though, I was having a lot of fun playing with all these extra features under the Create tab. Right away, I wanted to know, what's the difference between cover song and reuse prompt? Both of these options copy the song's lyrics, but choosing the cover song option adds the original song up here as a little reference. You can tweak the lyrics and style in both cases, but the biggest difference I noticed was in how the song generates. When creating a cover song, you're going to notice that the vocals follow the same melody.
Rolling down the road in my mansion on wheels. Venture life, baby, got that nomad appeal. Every park, every state, I'll make the rounds. New scene every night when the sun goes down. From New York to Cali, I'm chasing the sun. Working on the road while I'm having some fun. Got my Wi-Fi on and I'm working with a view. Mountains, rivers, deserts, girl, I'm never feeling blue. It's the Vangean life, rolling state to state. Quirky stops and parks, sure was feeling great. Largest ball of yarn, yeah, I'll be there.
And I changed the style in both of these cover songs, but you can still hear the same general sound.
Rolling down the road in my mansion on wheels. Vangean life, baby, got that nomad appeal. Every park, every state, I'll make the rounds. New Rolling down the road in my mansion on wheels. Vangean life, baby, got that nomad appeal. Every park, every state, I'll make the rounds. New scene every night when the sun.
When you reuse a prompt, on the other hand, Suno will give you a totally fresh take. Here are a couple of examples of reused prompts.
Rolling down the road in my mansion on wheels. Vangean life, baby, got that nomad appeal. Every park, every state, I'll make the rounds. New scene every night when the sun goes down. From New York to Cali, I'm chasing the sun. Working on the road while I'm having some fun. Got my Wi-Fi on and I'm working with a view. Mountains, rivers, deserts, girl, I'm never feeling blue. It's the Vangean life, rolling state to state. Cookie stops and parks, yo, it's feeling great. Largest ball of yarn, yeah, I'll be there when my solar power palace breathing fresh air. Rolling down the road in my mansion on wheels. Vangean life, baby, got that nomad appeal. Every park, every state, I'll make the round. New scene every night when the sun goes down. From New York to Cali, I'm chasing the sun. Working on the road while I'm having some fun. Got my Wi-Fi on and I'm working with the view. Mountains, rivers, deserts, girl, I'm never feeling blue. It's the Vangean life, rolling state to state. Quirky stops and parks, yo, it's feeling great. Largest ball of yarn, yeah, I'll be there.
In both of those examples, I used the exact same prompt as the primary song. Okay, I definitely went overboard remaking this song, but I was testing a variety of music blends to get the sound I was looking for, so that I could make a persona next. I was in love with the vocals on this track.
I'm on fire, I'm flying high. Waves of joy, can't deny. Let it out, don't hold back. Every moment's on track. Have fun every single day. Fun's a magnet, draws all the best things my way. Dancing fast, singing free.
But I really hated that annoying trumpet in the background, and it was a persistent little instrument. Kept showing up in most of my songs. Finally, I decided to take one of the earlier cover songs I created and crop out all but a small clip that didn't have the trumpet. The chorus was my favorite part of the vocal performance anyway.
I'm on fire, I'm flying high. Waves of joy, can't deny. Let it out, don't hold back.
So I decided to create my persona with just this small clip. Just like with everything else in Suno, you can edit your prompts when you use a persona too, so there's a lot of flexibility. Take a listen to a couple of songs I made with this persona.
Echoes of tomorrow, from what I feel today. Make it count all of it, all I feel, think and say. Times are flowing river. age of possibility, where dreams begin to bloom, embracing inner wisdom.
Before we wrap up our comparison of Suno V4 versus Suno V4.5, there are a couple more features I'm excited to share with you. Now we can replace sections in our songs. I only tried this once, but it worked really well. I accidentally left parentheses in the lyrics, which sounds like background talking.
Dancing to my rhythm if a bit coy.
The Replace tool is as easy to use as the Crop tool. Just highlight the section you want to change and make the changes to the text. In my case, I just removed those parentheses. And if you're worried about ruining your song with worse results, don't be. No matter what tool you use inside Suno's editor, a new song will be created so you always have access to the original generation.
This body's simple and it's all mine. Soy suficiente, así como soy. Dancing to my rhythm if a bit
I was pretty happy with that fix. This Get Stems tool is a nice feature to have too. It separates the music and the lyrics so that you can use the files separately for more advanced audio editing off of Suno.
Yeah, I wake up already on a roll, giddy like a kid with a popsicle. Dancing in my room, no one can see. Singing it loud and it's just for me.
Of course, it doesn't always work perfectly.
I have fun every single day. Fun so magnet draws all the best things my way. Dancing fast, singing free.
Those damn trumpets just wouldn't go away. Okay, let's take a listen to a couple of new songs that were created with these models. This one was created with version 4.
I've been searching high and low for answers only I would know. But turns out there's just one key. Only my beliefs can set me free. 'Cause your life is what you make it. Yeah, we can have it all you gotta do is shape it. Your life is what you make it. We can have it all you gotta do is...
And this one was a V4.5 creation.
I've been searching high and low for answers only I would know. But turns out there's just one key. Only my beliefs can set me free. 'Cause your life is what you make it. Yeah. We can have it all you gotta do is shape it. Your life is what you make it. We can have it all you gotta do is a belief.
What do you think? Which model do you prefer? Can you hear the difference? Okay, now I know I promised you a new AI tool to turn these songs into music videos in one click. And surprise! I've actually got 2 ways you can do it. If you're okay with a super simple look, you could always generate a video right inside Suno. I mean, it'd work in a pinch. It's a little bland looking, though. The video I showed earlier was made with Revid AI. All I had to do was fill out this form, click, and boom, music video. Images, captions. It'll generate video too if you don't mind spending some extra credits. In the next couple of weeks, I'll share a deeper dive into how to use this AI video generator to create music videos out of your songs. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. I promise you it's going to be epic. But for now, I'll have to leave you with the link in the description to go explore yourself. Just 2 more quick things, because I'm always getting asked what AI voice I use for this channel. Normally, I give the whole disclaimer that, yep, this is my actual voice, but you can use my AI voice clone over on ElevenLabs if you want to. Well, this week I ran out of time to record my voiceover, so you're finally getting a chance to hear my voice clone in action. If you like it and want to use it for yourself, you'll find that link below too. If you're a regular here, I'm dying to know if you noticed the difference. Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more about the tool I used to make this AI voiceover sound like my actual voice, you can check out the entire ElevenLabs playlist right here. I share everything from how I cloned my voice and all the secret tricks I used to make my AI voices sound more realistic, to how I've started generating a pretty cushy pile of passive income, selling my clone to other ElevenLabs users. It's all in there. Go binge it. Happy creating.